What I know is that God loves us all. And all I know is that death was created by him. So cowards always scared about death. Ikhawadi bayazithusela. Umuntu athi ngizokubulala mina ngiyokubhanda intela. Nawe ube scary. Because ukubulala buyelwe esikolweni. There's no one go to school for killing. And phambi kwamehlo kaNkulunkulu ngicabanga into eyodwa mina. Ukuthi each and every murder, it's a case. It's either you kill a chicken, you kill a fly, you kill a bee, you kill whatever, a pig, a cow, whatever you kill. In the eyes of God is a murder. So don't allow anyone to scare you about death. Because even a small kid can kill you. Because elephant was killed by ants, the small things. So death was created by God himself in heaven. So ukuthi manje sesizothusa abantu ukuthi wena uzobabulala, uhambe uyobapanda intela. No, zikhawade ezosaba leyo nto. Mina, I'm not scared to death. And I mean, I'm not scared of any living creature. I'm only scared of God because in my life, I've never seen God with my own eyes. I've never seen God with my flesh eyes. I'm always here. God dead, God this, God dead, God this. So bafethu, mina ngifuna ukuthini. All those who are scared to die are the cowards. How could I scare for the nature? Because God created death. God, in the beginning, God creates all the living creatures. After those creatures, he created a man, of which today we call him a human being. So how should I scare for the nature of God? If God uvumile ukuthi ngibhode, then ngizobhoda. And you know one thing, you are not the first man to die. If you go to heaven, then you will get people who died longer than you. Also, if you go to hell, you will find people who died before you. So bafethu, don't allow umuntu akuthusela ngokuthi uzokubulala. Uyawa uyabhoda, ushezwe imoto uyabhoda. Why should you scare the death? Because the death is always around you. If the angel death comes to take you, then you will go. Because that thing is a nature. And that thing was created by God, the heavenly one. So why should we scare? Why should we scare sabukufa mfethu? Balo umuntu uzongibulala mfethu ngiyabhawa. How should you bow to a man? Bow to God, not to a man. Bow to God. It's only God who we have to bow for whom, not other people. Even a pastor, I won't bow to a pastor. I won't bow to a president. I won't bow to anyone. You are mayor, you are judge, you are judicial, you are council, you are everything. I won't bow to you, man. I only bow to God. I only bow to a man who created the universe. That's the only man that I bow to. So, if you are trying to scare me about death, death is always around the corner. Death is always around the corner. mafethu. Death is always around the corner. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Death is around the corner. Vele all I pray for mina ukuthi uNkulunkulu angangithathi ngakafeza iphupho la. Mina nginengane bafethu. Ngine-princess asemahle, the one and only for daddy. Yeah, I wish to fulfill ama-dream. That's the thing engihlala ngicela umdali mina. Cha noma sekubomvu noma sekubheda noma sekududuma amazulu shawa izinto ezithusakala. But I always pray God ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungangithathi ngakafeza iphupho la. Ungangithathi ingane yami ngekaba grant. Kumele ngiyenze grant ingane yami. Then mangibona ukuthi ingane yami iphila a decent life. Then God, you can do whatever. But all I know ukuthi ufa kuhlezi kusekhoneni. So mawuhlale sokuthi mfethu wena ube-creator yokufa yokubulala. No, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Yeah. Ukufa was one of the God's plan. Kahle kahle. Ukufa was one of God's plans. Because ngicabanga ukuthi the creator ukuze agcina yenza ukufa was avoiding the overcrowding. The earth will be full with human beings and animals, all creatures that are living. So he created death. So death is not for human beings only. Death is for everything, every living creature in this earth. Yabo? Shuthi no Adam kahle kahle wenze uNkulunkulu ukuthi agcina crucify every living creature for a floppy fruits ayidlile. I don't know ukuthi leyo fruits yini. Maybe nathi leyo fruits siyayidla nathuli of which uNkulunkulu akayifuni. But all I'm against ukuthi uzongithusela ngokufa. Ungathuseli umuntu.